Hello, brother. Everything is doing good in Instagram marketing tool, but only one thing when any browser is start posting, it's not allow the notification automatically. If it's allow notification automatically, then it's more easy for us. And one more thing, if your developer adds mobile section, like now it's posting through the Chrome, but if any feature will be added that posting will do by mobile phone or Android, something like this, then this tool will be more legendary. So if this feature will be added in future, then it's more better for us, but for now it's doing very well. Only one feature for now, the software do not allow the notification pop up automatically. Like when we open the browser, a notification section will be appear from the Chrome. This tool do not allow the pop-up. That's only one error for now, but other than everything doing well. Thank you.